In this video, we turn an old kitchen from the 1980s into this. We started by sanding down the plastic surface on the cabinets, and believe me, that was a lot of sanding in order for the primer to properly adhere. The next step included wiping the cabinet surfaces with clean alcohol before the first layer of primer is applied. We bought the primer at Leroy Merlin, and it gave a good protective barrier. We added some extra mounts in the corners, which might help protect against any objects scraping against the surface. We then apply a black multi-purpose paint. This required 2 layers and a clear sealant before the entire process was done. In the end, we added golden colored handles to complete the look. We hope you like this first step of our renovation series. Until next time, hasta luego.